If you think you don't like oatmeal, try this blueberry muffin baked oats recipe and then think again. Let's make it. Add 1/3 cup quick oats to a food processor or blender, along with 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/3 cup water, then blend until a smooth batter forms. Gently fold in 2 tablespoons of wild blueberries, then pour your batter into an oven-safe dish. Mix half a tablespoon of quick oats with half a teaspoon pure maple syrup to make your crumble topping. Evenly spoon your topping on top of your oatmeal, then add some more wild blueberries. Bake for about 17 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Drizzle with peanut butter, dig in, and enjoy your healthy breakfast.